Take two. Hello again, this is Dr. Martin Orimenko of Live Well Holistic Health Center in Ardmore, Pennsylvania, presenting another video in our series, this one entitled Boosting Health and Vitality with Gentle Chiropractic and Massage Therapy. Now we all know that human beings need touch. We thrive on touch. Today we're deficient in touch. They did experiments decades ago where they took away human touch from babies. The babies' mothers were taken away, like with chimpanzees, for example, and they gave the baby everything they could possibly need, nutrition-wise and all the other creature comforts, but not the mother's touch. And there was a dramatic failure to thrive in those babies. So we thrive on touch. Medical treatments these days are often impersonal. They often involve a doctor sitting behind a desk writing a prescription for you. No touch at all. Chiropractic treatments, on the other hand, involve physical touch. Chiropractic treatments release spinal tension, freeing up nerves that control organs and muscles. They're tremendously valuable to your health. And people often comment that I feel more vital, I feel more alive when I get my chiropractic treatments, because the energy is flowing in your body, the blood is flowing in your body. It releases tension, and it's human touch. Chiropractic adjustments enliven and invigorate the whole body. They are not just for the health of your spine. The first chiropractic adjustment restored someone's hearing who had lost it more than a decade previous. Chiropractic adjustments actually help issues like asthma, allergies, PMS, other menstrual issues, digestive issues. They improve your immune response, so you get a lot less colds and flus. So chiropractic adjustments free up the spinal energy, and you're more vital, and it shows. People glow, people have more vitality, they get sick less, simply by chiropractic spinal treatments. And the kind I do here is a gentle form, and people love it. I do it on elderly people and on kids, and everyone enjoys it quite a lot. Now, the spine itself needs care also, so doing spinal adjustments, receiving chiropractic spinal adjustments also helps the vitality and health of the spine. You want to do all you can to avoid early degeneration of the spine. We've all seen people hunched over in their old age and stiff, and they can't turn to look behind when they're driving, which becomes dangerous. So the vitality and health of the spine is helped tremendously through chiropractic adjustments, as well as things like yoga and stretching. But the spinal adjustments really help free up spinal tension and vertebrae that are fixated and not moving well or rotated, out of alignment. And the discs between the vertebrae will literally starve if there's not a lot of mobility in the joints of the spine, because the discs in between the vertebrae receive their fluid and nutrition from movement. They don't have their own blood supply, so they're like little sponges, and if they are freely being squeezed and released between the vertebrae, then they'll soak up fluid from the surrounding tissue. If the vertebrae are fixated and not moving well, the discs starve, they get thinner and thinner, and that condition is called degenerative joint disease, and it's simply an early arthritis that happens. And you get bony spurs, then you have aches and pains, and you get neuropathies, pinched nerves, sciatica, and so forth. So for the health of your spine and for the health of your entire body, I can't recommend strongly enough that you get regular chiropractic adjustments. Now let's talk about massage therapy. Massage therapy is incredibly valuable for your health and vitality, and there the contact is direct skin to skin, and they have proven through studies that human touch, especially skin to skin, releases neuropeptides and endorphins, all of which greatly promote emotional and physical well-being. So yes, you feel good after a massage because you're relaxed, but you also feel good because these endorphins and neuropeptides are roaming around your body and doing very good things for your mind, for your emotional state, your mental state, as well as the tension in your body. Massage also helps muscles, of course. You know, we're all doing our workouts and our yoga and gardening and whatnot, and our muscles get tight, we get stiff, and you need to release that tension as soon as possible. It helps blood flow in the body. Blood stagnates if there's a lot of tension in the body. So it greatly promotes the blood flow to all the tissues of the body, and that brings nutrients to the tissues and oxygen to the tissues and removes lactic acid and toxins and carbon dioxide from the tissues. So it's tremendously valuable for that reason. And then a third reason is lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system is kind of like your circulatory system with all these tiny little vessels throughout your body that siphon off toxins, that siphon off microorganisms like bacteria and viruses, and the white blood cells in your lymph nodes gobble up those bacteria and viruses, keep your immune system healthy, keep your body healthy, fight infections, and it also removes toxins from the tissue. So the lymphatic system doesn't have a heart to pump the fluid around like the circulatory system does. So it relies on movement, squeezing of muscles and releasing and so forth, and deep breathing, which exercise does for you. But when you receive massage therapy, it really helps that lymphatic fluid flow and flush and keep the body cleansed and healthy. Tremendously valuable. Massage also activates acupuncture points. More and more people are familiar with acupuncture, that there are acupuncture points all over the surface of the body that relate to different organs, and there are points on the body that treat all sorts of different conditions. And all those acupuncture points are inadvertently stimulated through massage therapy in a gentle kind of way. And that has multiple health benefits for you. Now, both chiropractic adjustments and massage therapy help speed recovery from sports and from injuries, as well as help stress relief, as well as help the whole functioning of your organ system. And both chiropractic and massage have some similar benefits of doing exercise and yoga just by lying there and receiving the treatments. So I want to strongly emphasize that you get regular chiropractic adjustments, and I advise receiving an adjustment every 2 months when nothing is wrong, and certainly more frequently if there is something wrong. And as far as massage therapy, basically as often as your budget will allow you to do. So this is Dr. Martin Orimenko presenting from LiveWell Holistic Health Center in Ardmore, Pennsylvania. And I want you to be sure to check your inbox in the next few days for part 4 in our video series discussing the specific benefits of diet and lifestyle modification and natural supplements. Be well.